How's it going, guys? Back with another video, and today is a very special video because today we are installing a Widebody Kit on the Genesis Coupe. We actually already started it, but I haven't recorded any so far, so I'm gonna show y'all what we've done so far and show y'all how it's looking. So this side is just sitting on there right now. It's not actually tightened up, but if you come look at the other side, that's all tightened on and done. And wow, that looks amazing. Basically what we did was we got the kit and put it up to the car. And you notice that we're using well nuts, not rivet nuts. So we basically held it up to the car and drilled the holes through the Widebody Kit and left a mark for the center on the car. Took the kit off, then drilled through the car for the size for the well nuts, and then they all just screw in. But I mean, look at that from the back. That is a wide freaking kit if I've ever seen one. Amazing. Guys, I'll tell you what, making that first hole drilling into my car, probably the craziest thing I've ever done. Most stressful time of my life, but I think that we did a pretty good job of making it fit up right. There was a couple different things we had to do with the winglets. Basically, I'll show you. So the winglets bolt up right here, and basically what was happening was the amount of distance that's left on this piece right here was shorter than the amount of distance on the winglets, so the winglets were sticking out. So basically to solve that, all we had to do was sand down, because it's fiberglass, so we sanded down, and now it should be pretty flush and look pretty damn good. Also, you may have noticed that the Jenny has new wheels. I went and picked these up. Hey, I'm tripping. I already made that video. Yo. It's been a long day with their new wheels on. And they're a little dirty right now because I just made a 2-hour trip in them. But they look pretty amazing. They poke out pretty damn far just for how they are with no spacer. And I'll probably put a small one on there just to flush it out. Now, if you're wondering where the front fenders are, I just got those painted and I'm waiting for them to dry. And once I'm done installing the rear over fenders, I'm gonna go ahead and put the front fenders on, and we'll be able to see how the whole kit looks on the car, minus probably the front bumper winglets, because I've still got to figure out how I'm gonna make those to the bumper, since they don't have any divots for the well nuts. But yeah, that's how it's looking right now. We're about to finish up drilling in a little while and get everything attached. That's all. It is a completely new day, guys. It's actually about a week later after I finished, probably a little bit longer, since I finished the kit. But as you saw in that last clip, I had some springs in my trunk. I actually had just picked up when we were drilling into and making the Widebody Kit up to the car. Just bought some lowering springs, and I have installed them now. And basically, this is gonna be like kind of a final touch, like how the car looks with everything done, but not like a reveal video because I've still gotta record that. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you how the car looks with everything done on it now. So as you can see, we've got the wheels installed. The Widebody Kit is all installed. I've got a little spacer on the front and the rear to just flush out the wheels a little bit more. But that is basically it. The only thing that I haven't installed is the winglets for the front bumper, but I actually don't know if I'm going to be using those because I kind of like how it looks now. But yeah, I mean, look at that. Of course, if you want to see more, you don't like, go check out my Instagram at thatyellow3.8. I usually have up-to-date photos and everything on there. But I mean, that is crazy. For doing all of it myself, not taking it to the shop and getting it professionally done, I would say it looks pretty damn good. And I actually just had someone reach out to me. Who owns a detailing company, said he wanted to detail my car, trim pro it and everything for free. So I'm gonna be trying to get that done soon so that the car is protected and everything. But yeah, that's the car completely done. Looks pretty freaking awesome. And expect a reveal video coming soon. But that's gonna be it for this video. There's the car, looking pretty nice. I kind of part like an asshole, but there's a story behind that. But I'll catch y'all later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you want to see anything new, and catch you later.